Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Blooket Login. If you're looking to access your Blooket account or need assistance with the sign-in process, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to log into your Blooket account on blooket.com. Whether you're a student, teacher, or parent, we've got you covered with all the help you need to get started with Blooket. First, open your browser and type www.blooket.com into the address bar, then press Enter. Once you're on the website, you should find the Login button. It's usually located in the top right corner, and I can see the Login button there as well. If you're not a member yet, you can use the Sign Up button. I'm clicking on the Login button. You've reached the Login panel. Here, in the first field, enter your username or the registered email address. Then move to the field below and enter your password. Finally, click on the Let's Go button at the bottom. If you've previously registered with your Google account, you can click here to log in with your Google account. If you're experiencing password issues with email login, don't worry. You can click here to reset your password. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips on using Blooket and other educational tools. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from it.